probably the most famous Jewish lullaby. In dem Beis HaMikdash, in a Winkelheide, sitzt die Almone Basion allein. Ihr ben Juchedl Yidale, wiegt sie Keseder, in singt ihm a Liedale zum Schluffen gehen. Ai lu lu lu, unter Yidales Wiegale steht a Chlorweiß Ziegale. Das Ziegale ist gefroren handeln. Das wird sein dein Baruch. Roschinkäs mit Mandeln. Schlaf, Jeidale, schlaf. In dem Liedl, mein Kind, liegt viel Nevies, als du wirst amol sein, zerspreit auf der Welt. Als Seucher wirst du sein von viel Teries und wirst verdienen sehr als Geld. Ai lu lu lu, wenn du wirst werden reich, Yidale, sollst du sich der Mannen in dein Liedale. Roschinkäs mit Mandeln, das wird sein dein Baruch. Roschinkäs mit Mandeln, Schlaf, Jeidale, schlaf, Jeidale, schlaf, Jeidale, schlaf, ai lu li lu. Singen will ich jetzt ein Lied, Uzaza, Uzaza. Ich glaub, das Liedl ist sehr gut, Uzaza, Uzaza. Heute das Liedl wird gefallen, Uza, Uzaza. Will ich auch zufriedenstellen, Uza, Uzaza. Jetzt auf Englisch, für die, was verstehen nicht, kein Jiddisch. Now in English, for the Yiddish challenged. Let me sing my song for you, Utsa-tsa, Utsa-tsa. It's straight from 2nd Avenue, Utsa-tsa, Utsa-tsa. I'll tell a joke, a little vitzel, Utsa, Utsa-tsa, to make you laugh and give a kitzel. Utsa, Utsa-tsa, oi ve, Utsa mama, pirbatsutsa, Utsa mama, pirbatsutsa, oi, in shine. Oi ve, Utsa mama, pirbatsutsa, Utsa mama, pirbatsutsa, oi, in shine. So I was walking on Essex Street. I got hungry. I went up to the pickle man. I said, Mr. Pickle Man, how much for this pickle? The pickle man said, for this pickle, it will be a nickel. So then I asked him, okay, how much for this little pickle? He said, for this little pickle, it will be a... You had the same salesman. I went to eat on Essex Street, Utsa-tsa, Utsa-tsa. I ate some blintzes, hot and sweet, Utsa-tsa, Utsa-tsa. The blintzes tasted good to me, Utsa, Utsa-tsa. They woke me up at 3:30, Utsa, Utsa-tsa. Speaking of blintzes, my wife is a wonderful cook. Smazel of was a cook she is. I came home the other night, she was crying in the kitchen. I said, darling, why are you crying? She said, it's terrible. The dog ate the brisket. I said, don't worry, I'll buy you another dog. These are the jokes, folks. My Bible is very nice, ooh-tsa-tsa. She made me look very nice, ooh-tsa-tsa. She played my heart just like a fiddle, ooh-tsa. The lock came up in the middle, ooh-tsa. Oy vey, hotsa mama, pirba-tsa-tsa, mama, pirba-tsa-tsa, oy, in join. Oy vey, hotsa mama, pirba-tsa-tsa, mama, pirba-tsa-tsa, oy, in join. Two men meet on 2nd Avenue. One says, hey, Moshe, I heard that your factory burned down last night. The other one says, shh, it's tomorrow. These are the jokes, folks. A man is standing at a cemetery, crying bitter tears and banging away on a tombstone. Why did you die? Why did you die? Why did you die? I asked him, excuse me, sir, who died? He said, my wife's first husband. Why did you die? Come on, this is it. Two men are sitting in a schwitz. Three men are sitting in a schwitz. The first man says, oi. Second man says, oi. The third man says, come on, oi. So the first man says, hey, fellas, I thought we weren't going to talk about the children. I went to Grand Street for a schwitz, ooh-tsa-tsa. I'm a chai, such a hit, ooh-tsa-tsa. I went to lose weight like I order, ooh-tsa. So now I'm thin, but 2 feet shorter, ooh-tsa. My mother still lives on 2nd Avenue. I called her the other night. I said, hello, Ma, how are you? She said, oh, I'm wonderful. I said, excuse me, I must have the wrong number. My Bubba lives on 2nd Avenue. She calls me every time she has tourists. She speaks to me in English. She called me the other night. She said, Michael, ich hab tourists. Ich hab Wasser in the knie. I got water in my knees. I went to the doctor. I asked the doctor, was für a Schier soll ich trugen? What kind of shoes should I wear? You know what he told me? I should wear galoshes. Galoshes. And finally, she went to a dentist. He pulled out all her teeth. She came back the next day. She complained, Doctor, the chain was etwas herangestellt. Sie passen nicht. They don't fit. So the doctor took them out. He filled them down. He put them back. He said, Bobby, go home. They'll fit. Came back the next day with the same complaint. Doctor, they don't fit. So he filed them down again. He put them back. He said, go home, Bobby, they'll fit. Came back the next day with the same complaint. The dentist got very mad. He said, Bobby, where don't they fit? Oh, from hinten, here. She said, no, doctor, they don't fit at night in the glass. That's because she was using a outside glass. Wouldn't fit anyway. It was too small. So now I'm finished with my song. Oh-tsa-tsa, like I promised not too long. Oh-tsa-tsa. All right, it took up 30 minutes. Oh-tsa, just be glad I'm finally finished. Oh-tsa. Oy vey, hotsa mama, pirba-tsa-tsa. Hotsa mama, pirba-tsa-tsa, way, enjoy. Oy vey, hotsa mama,